But you can see this was the very first exam that I did to get into the program, and they paid me $10 and they gave me a 5-star. So every job that you do, give it your best, because some of them are rated and some of them are not rated. You can see this one was rated as well and I earned 5-star. This one was also rated, I earned 5-star. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with a very good opportunity where you can be able to earn money online very fast. For every 10 minutes you can be able to earn $10, and this is actually a true opportunity that I have worked for. So let me explain to you exactly how it works. Go into your search engine, whatever, if it's Google, Bing or any other, and search user testing. So user testing, this is it. I will tell you what it is and how you can be able to earn the money and all those details. So first of all, user testing is a website. On this website, you can be able to review things such as products, websites, applications, and such stuff. And once you review, it takes around 10 to 15 minutes for you to review a product or a website. And once you finish with the review, the person who made that product, if it's a developer who's put up that test, they will go through your review and then they will approve it, and you'll be able to be paid $10 on average. I'm saying $10 on average because that is actually on minimum. That is the minimum amount to be paid, but there are tests that actually pay you $30 for 30 minutes. Others pay you $60 for 60 minutes, but the average and the common kind of tasks, they pay you $10 for 10 minutes that you've taken to review something. Okay, so this is how the website looks like. It's called user testing, and when you come to it, it will give you all the details, but I'm just going to summarize to you the most important detail that will get you started. So first of all, it is an international website available in very many different countries, but it is based in the United States. That's why they even pay in dollars. So once you get here, you are supposed to register yourself. Okay, to register yourself, you come and say get paid to test. When you click on get paid to test, they will ask you your email address, and then you'll tick that you have read those you have read their terms and conditions and you agree with them. They will send you an email. So when they send you an email, it will have a process. It's a very simple process to get started with their website, whereby you just provide a little bit about you. And I would advise you need to provide the true details about you, because they will use these details to give you tests. Make sure you list down your career, what you have experience with, maybe your age, where your country you're coming from. For example, if you're an IT person and someone else has made a website and they want you to review, because you have experience on websites, this will be an ideal test for you. If you are a nurse, you deal with medicine, you deal with sicknesses and health conditions. So if they have tests that are related to sicknesses and health conditions, they will actually give them to you. So I will advise you, be very sincere when you're filling up your details, and make sure you include every tiny thing that is related to you, because it actually makes your profile better. So once you sign up, maybe after some time, it doesn't take a long time, they will send you a test. I'm going to log into my platform so that you see how it looks like, but I already went through that onboard and test and all that stuff. So I will just show you how it looks like. Of course, you'll put in your email address and your password. So once that happens, you'll get into the platform. You will see very many different tests, for example, 3 or 4, and they expect you to choose one that you think you're familiar with. This test is something similar to what you'll be doing once you get employed. So I just can give you a very simple example. They give you a product. Say it's an oil. An oil company is making oil and it wants to decide on which kind of packaging is the best package to use. So they will give you 2 packages, and they ask you to just give your sincere opinion. How much do you like these packages? Do you think you would buy this product if it was in the supermarket? Maybe how much would you spend on that product? So the good thing is that there's nothing right and wrong. They just want your true opinion. If you don't like it, you say you don't like it. If you don't understand a question, you say you don't understand a question. And these are some of the things that will help you to pass the examination. So what happens? every time a job comes, it is shown on this website, but they also have a mobile application. So you might find that right now there are no jobs on the website, but when you go to the mobile application, there are jobs. It's your choice. If you don't want to use the mobile application, it's okay. But if you want to earn more money, you can do both for mobile and the website. Another good news is that there are jobs that earn you $10, others earn you $30, others earn you $60. So the ones that earn you $30, they take 30 minutes to do, and it mostly involves you video calling with someone, maybe let's say a developer, but they want to talk with you as a person. So they will arrange a meeting over Zoom or Skype or Teams, and then you will answer questions. The questions they will ask, it's a normal interview, just that now you'll be able to explain and elaborate more over 30 minutes. These are completed tests that I have done. And these are all the money that I've been able to earn for a very short period of time, okay? I got paid. I haven't done it for a very long time, but you can see this was the very first exam that I did to get into the program, and they paid me $10 and they gave me a 5-star. So every job that you do, give it your best, because some of them are rated and some of them are not rated. You can see this one was rated as well, and I earned 5-star. This one was also rated, I earned 5-star. Of course, the person you are giving the review will go through your video. If you didn't speak well, if you maybe didn't elaborate or didn't answer the questions the way they wanted you to answer, they may give you a low star. That's why you need to really work hard. And also, I wanted to show you the particular one that I think I earned $30 because I actually spoke to someone. Let me see where it is. I'm not sure if it is showing here. I earned $60. It was on, it is in August. I earned $60 because I was able to speak to someone for 60 minutes and they asked me about moving countries or something. It was something simple, okay? So the good news is you choose what you want to deal with. If you feel like this test you don't know, you don't have to do it. If you feel like you don't have experience on it, you don't have to do it. It's you who chooses. And sometimes it comes to a point where there are so many works, like they'll be popping all over the screen. And sometimes, like right now, you can see you've been on the website and there are no works. Not to worry. Other types of works are like this. It says new study, click here to see if you qualify. So when you click, they'll ask you certain questions. And depending on your answers, they'll either give you the test, but if you don't qualify, they won't give you the test, but many more tests will come. So it's international, but it's based in the US. So whichever country you are in, you can be able to apply. And if it's not eligible in your country, they'll tell you, unfortunately, it's not eligible. But from my experience, very many different countries are eligible. You just need to put in your true details and the things that are related to you in terms of your career, your personality, your family, and your country. They will be able to tell you. And the data that you give them is 100% confidential. They don't record your name, your location, your address, or anything. No, they simply want to know your opinion about products that they're giving on this platform. So that is what I had for you today. If you had any questions, or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. And yeah, let's get this free money. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.